Now, National Bank of Kenya, NBK, has partnered with the African Guarantee Fund, AGF, to offer a partial guarantee in respect to defaults arising from loans to various private and public sector SMEs in the water, sanitation and hygiene, wash sector, women-led businesses and green financing in Kenya. The 7-year tenor guarantee will cover up to 50% of collateral needs for a qualifying facility, with 75% cover for women and green SMEs. The guarantee will also see the maximum cover for any borrower capped at 100 million shillings. Speaking at the signing ceremony, NBK Acting Managing Director Peter Kioko noted that the facility will go a long way in mitigating the challenge of access to affordable credit for micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, in the wash sector.
Coming together, we can leverage our expertise and create solutions that make it possible to transform the environment and the experience our people go through and still make it commercially viable. In simple language, with the structure that the teams are put together, we will be able to structure a credit sharing that focuses on 3 areas. So water and sanitation, women-led businesses, and green financing. Credit sharing between 50 to about 70%, which makes it even more possible to finance those businesses. But they are bankable anyway. Yeah? They are bankable business anyway. Yeah? So the structuring makes it a lot more robust, and that is possible then with that, so that we can be able to scale it up.
This partnership for us is very important. It's a big step to bring more and more support to the SMEs, more support to our communities.
Now, Ipsen Kenya has pledged to reduce its carbon footprint in efforts to ensure the company incorporates sustainable programs in its manufacturing process. Speaking during a media workshop, Ipsen Regional Head East and West Africa, Mukesh Baxter, noted that they had already put in place plans to ensure that by 2023, the company operates fully within renewable energy.
Ipsen is focused on working with the societies, working with the communities in the markets that we operate in. Just to give you an example of some of the activities that we've already done within the continent, we've currently worked with 800 different organizations in terms of sponsoring printers, sponsoring education materials, simply to enhance and bring quality education to institutions that do not have access to these materials. Of course, the funding that has been set aside will be utilized to further streamline our manufacturing processes, educate our partners, improve recycling processes, and look at working towards becoming more of a key player within the circular economy. One of the key elements that we're looking at is working towards reducing our carbon footprint. Epson internally has several programs in place, several internal goals that we have set for ourselves. But more importantly, we're looking at working fully with renewable energy by 2023. We're looking at being part of UN's Sustainable Development Goals and having all our manufacturing processes aligned to the Sustainable Development Goals as set out by the United Nations.